Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video about basic civil engineering knowledge for civil site engineer. And this is part 3, and in our previous two parts I have discussed about more important topic about some basic knowledge for civil site engineer. So if you're new here, you can watch our previous video that already I have uploaded. The link are given in description, and you will find that video in the playlist of civil engineering basic knowledge. And there have many videos about civil engineering basic knowledge. I think you should watch that. So let's start. So first of all, Astm abbreviation, it is known as American Society for Testing Materials. This is a organization from where for different types of materials, for different types of engineering materials, quality controlled by them. Then grade of concrete is denoted as cement, sand and aggregate. For example, M20 grades represent the ratio of 1:1.5:3. And also about what is the concrete grade and what is its ratio, I have already uploaded a video. You'll find that video also same as in the playlist of civil engineering basic knowledge. So after that, CC means center to center distance, then DL means development length. The lapping of bar is not allowed if the dia of the bar is more than 36 mm. For circular column, minimum of 6 longitudinal bar are used. The minimum thickness of slab is 0.125 meter or 125 millimeter or 5 inch. The initial setting time shall not be less than 30 minutes and final setting time of cement is 10 hours. Okay, the initial setting time shall not be less than 30 minutes and the final setting time of cement is 10 hours. Dead load means self weight of the structure. The self weight of a structure is generated as dead load. Then sand having moisture content more than 5% shouldn't be used for concrete mix. If we buy some sand and if its moisture content is more than 5%, then it shouldn't be used for concrete mix. Then DPC means dam proof course. Dam proof course, this is a important terms used in construction. Dam proof course, the thickness of DPC shouldn't be less than 2.5 centimeter. Okay, the thickness of dam proof course shouldn't be less than, its thickness shouldn't be less than 2.5 centimeter. Then cube test is carried out for each 30 meter cube uses of concrete. For each 30 meter cube uses of concrete, which we have to carry out the cube test. Then RMC, what is the meaning of RMC? Ready mix concrete. RMC means ready mix concrete. The concrete is made at factory and transported to the site. These types of concrete is used where there is a lack of spacing of mixing and the concrete, and used for a huge amount of concrete is required, and concrete is required for the construction. For ready mix, if you see that by using the ready mix car or ready mix truck, the concrete is transported from another site to another place to the construction site, and by using the pumping machine, the concrete are pumped to the required place. The height of floor is usually 30 meter or 10 feet. 3 meter or 10 feet. The height of floor is usually 3 meter or 10 feet. Then a head mason can work 25 to 30 meter cube in a day. A head mason can work 25 to 30 meter cube in a day. PCC means the plain cement concrete. These types of concrete is used one member only when the tensile force are not acting on it. Okay, so if tensile force are not acting on it, we can use PCC. I mean, why we'll use plain concrete cement? Because when tensile force will work, then we have to must provide the reinforcement, and it is known as RCC. Then cantilever beam has one fixed support and other side is free. Simply supported beam has a minimum of 2 support. So thank you for watching, and if you think that was helpful for you, press the like button and leave a comment, and don't forget to share that video with your engineer friend, and don't forget to subscribe or support this channel, School of Civil Engineering. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.